Hello everybody. Today we are going to show you how you can make a course on Udemy and upload the course on Udemy platform and earn money for that. You can see the procedure how to upload videos, upload a course on Udemy and earn money for that. You see here how we are creating the course, right? Here you see first you have to go to new course, right? I have shown you how to create the course. Suppose you want to create a course like how to earn online from YouTube, right? Now you see how you have to go through this procedure and finish your work, right? You see here, then go to edit or manage course, right? First of all, you have to make an account on Udemy and go to instructor and make a course for Udemy, right? Now you see what are the different sections you have to provide in Udemy. You see here there are actually 4 steps. Number 1 is plan your course. In plan your course you will get 3 steps. One is intended learners, course structure, setup and test video. These are 3, right? After that create your content, film and edit, curriculum, captions is optional and accessibility it is also optional. Publish your course. This is course landing page. You have to set the pricing here, promotions and course messages. Then after that you have to give for submit for review, and if your course is reviewed and gets approval, then your course will be uploaded in Udemy and you can earn money whenever the course is sells, right? Now, what is the procedure to upload a video that I am going to show you? You see here, first one is plan your course for intended learners. The following descriptions will publicly visible on your course landing page and will have a direct impact on your course performance. These descriptions will help learners decide if your course is right for them. What will students learn in your course? You must enter at least 4 learning objectives or outcomes that learners can expect to achieve after completing your course. Here you see we have taken 4 objectives. First one is learn how to create YouTube channel. Number 2 is how to customize your YouTube channel. Number 3, how to upload video. Number 4, how to earn money from YouTube. These are the 4 main objectives you have to write, right? After that add more responses if you like, or this is minimum you have to write 4 responses. Next one is what are the requirements or prerequisites for taking your course. List the required skills, experience, tools or equipment learners should have prior to taking your course. If there are no requirements, use this space as an opportunity to lower the barrier for beginners. Suppose I have written here that know about computer internet. You have to know something about computer and internet, right? After that you can add more responses also. Who is this course for? You have written here beginners who want to learn money from YouTube, right? Beginners who want to learn money from YouTube, right? You have completed this intended learners. Then go to course structure. Here you can see that in course structure there is a course in you plan it out. Our library resources, this is a teaching center, you can go there and learn how to set up the course structure. Then setup and test video. The next one is setup and test video. Here you see free expert video help, get personalized advice on your audio and video. Create a test video, right? If you know how to make a video, then skip it and next go to film and edit. Here you see you are ready to share your knowledge in good company, join the community. These are various tips given here, right? There is nothing to do here. After that go to these captions are optional, leave it. Accessibility is optional. Then publish your course landing page, right? If you go to course landing page, you can see here this is our course landing page. In course landing page, your course landing page is crucial to your success in Udemy. If it's done right, it can also help you gain visibility in search engines like Google. As you complete this section, think about creating a compelling course landing page that demonstrates why someone would want to enroll in your course, or learn about more creating your course landing page and course title standards. Course title. Suppose I have written the course title as How to Earn Online from YouTube. Course subtitle, How to Earn Money from YouTube. Right? Course subtitle, or what are the different methods to earn money? What are the different methods to earn money from YouTube? In course subtitle, you can change it into methods. Methods methods to earn money from YouTube. Right? And there is course subtitle. I have written here that methods to earn money from YouTube. After that, you have to write a course description. Here you see we have written a course description, how to earn money from YouTube, a complete guide. Course description we have to write within 1000. Description should have minimum 200 words. Right? You have to write the course description. After that, you go to basic information, that is English, when you have to write the level, that is whether it is beginner level or intermediate level, expert level, or all levels. So I have written it here as beginner level, and you have to give it here what is the category. You have written the category as teaching and academics, right? And you see what is primarily taught in your course. You have to write what is primarily taught in your course, how to earn money from how to earn from YouTube. How to earn money from YouTube. This is the what is primarily taught in course. Now upload your course image here. It must meet our course image quality standard to be accepted. Important guidelines: 750 into 422 pixel. You have to upload a page here, right? Or a course image. Suppose we have uploaded this one, right? A JPG or JPEG or GIF or PNG to no text. No text on the image. You should not have any text on this image, right? I have already uploaded. You have to upload a course image, right? After that, you see you have to give a promotional video. This promotional video is a quick and compelling way for students to preview what they will learn in your course. Students considering your course are most likely to enroll if your promo video is well made, right? You have to make a promotional video. Here you see we have already uploaded a promotional video. You can see here how we have made this promotional video. Go to promotional video and you can see how you have made it. Here you see, this is the promotional video. Turn your passion into profit. Learn how to earn money from YouTube with Udemy. And this is the various steps we have given, right? Now I'm going back. Right, this is promotional video. Here you see all instructors bios are complete, right? And you can view the instructor profile. Now you can see here that we have already published this course landing page, right? Then you have to save this one, right? Save it, and you can preview this also, right? Now what will go there, that is course landing page. After that, you have to go to curriculum. In the curriculum section, you have to upload the video you have made, right? In the curriculum section, here you see there are here where you and add course content like lectures, course sections, assignments and more. Click a plus icon on the left to get started. You see here, these are the different sections you can introduce, right? So first one is section 1. You can use this section, and this is content, this is curriculum item, right? I will show you how to make different sections. Here is the section 1, introduction. Now you can write here section, enter the title section 2. What will students be able to do at the end of this section, right? You have to put the learning objectives and add section. You can add section again, so chapter 2, chapter 3, like that, right? And you have to add the content here. Here you see, give a plus sign, your content, and content may be three types. It may be a video, it may be a video and slide mashup, it may be an article, right? Suppose select the type of content. If you want to upload a video, then go here, a video, and you see here upload video, add from library, select a video, and you have to upload this one, right? And this is the plus curriculum item, right? All files should be at least 750 p pixel and less than 4 GB, right? And it is should be less than 4 GB. This is the way how to add your video in the course, right? Now you see content. In content there are three types. One is video. You can also upload a video and slide mashup. You see this, you can also upload a video, pick a presentation, synchronize video and presentation. In this way, in three methods, one is select video, pick a presentation, that is select PDF, and synchronize video and presentation. Please pick a video and presentation first, right? And then synchronize, right? This is the method of add video and slide mashup. And next one is, you can see here, the third one, you can see in content section, you can add an article also. Right here you can see, if you tap on it, you see you can write an article here and save and upload it. These are the three methods by which you can make your curriculum, right? And after that you have to go to pricing, right? You have to fix your own price. What will be the price? But before that, the Udemy will check whether this price is best fit for this course or not, right? This is USD and backup. These are the different tier you can see here. One, you can try your course for free or for any of these. These are the different rates given here, right? But before that, if Udemy approved your course and prices, only then you can put the prices, right? And here you can see you can promote your course also. This is the promotion, you can see here, this is the promotion method. We have updated the coupon system and there is more to come, announcing a new free coupon limits and bulk coupon creation. Right? Refer to students. At any time a student uses a link, we will credit you with the sale, right? You can see here you can send coupons. July you cannot create coupons for a free course, right? And active, scheduled coupons, expired coupons. You can promote your course also, right? And you can find at the last, you can find the course messages. You have to write the course message here. One is welcome message. Here if you see here, we have written a welcome message and give a congratulation message, right? Like this, right? Congratulations on taking the first step towards earning money from YouTube. Why this course matters, right? In this way you can write the different course, and after that go to submit for review, and Udemy will check whether your course is according to Udemy's terms and conditions and the prices is right or not, and give it here is save and submit for review. In this way you can make a course for Udemy and earn money from Udemy courses. Whenever your course sells, then you get an income from Udemy, and you can earn lakhs of rupees from these courses. Dear friends, and this platform is free of cost. There is no cost of doing this on this one, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.